So for this final step, I've decided to bring in the camera closer so that you get a better look as to what I'm doing. So I'm just adding a layer here of my maple sugar, which is of course sold on our website, www.maplesavage.com. Now, of course, the key ingredient to this sushi is the maple sugar. The maple sugar is available and sold online in our boutique. And for a limited time, you can buy the maple sugar trio in our gift section. These packages can also be great to give to your teacher as end of the year gifts, or can also be great as Father's Day, or maybe you're just curious like us and you like to try everything. So go ahead, hop on our online boutique and reserve your trio of maple sugar box. So this was my special recipe of sushi using maple sugar. Another great way or easy way to use maple sugar. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And of course, please consider to visit our boutique and try this wonderful and very rare product, which is great and can accompany multiple kind of dish. Many more videos to come. I really do hope you try this recipe. Please take care and we will see you later. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.